So now our concept is about transducers. Okay. So the concept is about transducers. So what do you mean by transducers? Generally, it is defined as the device that converts the energy, like how we use electrical energy converted to mechanical, mechanical to electrical energy conversions. At the same way, this transducer also converts energy which is in one form to another form. Okay, so usually transducers are called is defined as the converter which can convert energy. Okay, so it usually converts energy from one form to the other form. So usually these transducers we will be using where we need measurement work. The reason is all the quantities whatever we have in existence are not easily be measured. So you need something. For example, for voltage you're taking voltmeter, for inductance you're taking the Rios, like what we call multimeter. So to know the values you need some devices, and all the quantities are not easily measurable, and they are not easily displayed also, because it's not only required to measure, at the same way the measured quantity should be visible to us so that we can take a note of it, right? So that's the reason the transducers were introduced. Okay, so usually what are the elements we are going to, the quantities we are going to measure are non-electrical. Non-electrical means they are not voltage or current or power or something. So non-electrical means which are called, some are called as temperature, pressure, displacement, humidity. Okay, speed, fluid flow, like that. There are many quantities which are non-electrical. So usually these are the quantities which are not directly measured. Okay, it's not easy to measure them. So these quantities are required to be sensed, means we should sense them, and should be converted to, we should first sense them and convert it to other form, so that we can easily measure them. So certain kinds of quantities are not easy to measure. So first we need to sense them and try to convert them into another form, so it makes our job easy. These are called as non-electrical quantities. Okay, so usually our electrical quantities like current, voltage, resistance, inductance, capacitance, whatever it is, so far whatever we have learned, all these can be conveniently measured or transferred or stored, whatever, however way we need. But for these non-electrical quantities, where we need to convert them first and then only we can measure. So converting these non-electrical quantities into electrical is done by using a device called electric transducer. So electrical transducer is the device which helps to convert these non-electrical into electrical and then measure, because to calculate the electrical values we have the components, but like these non-electrical quantities it's not easy. That's the reason we are going for transducer. Okay, so it's not just saying that just choose a transducer, it's not easy job. So we need some requirements to select this transducer. Okay,